Good evening, my name is Bagmita Thakur and I'm studying in the 10th grade and currently I'm attending my classes for coaching at Aakash Institute, Guwahati East. So I would like to convey by all ends that Aakash Institute has been providing me and others a really competitive and interactive platform ever since I commenced attending the classes back in 2020 when I was in the 9th grade. So not only this, but also the teachers that we have been getting along are really the epitome of knowledge. And if we are to bearing all these things, if we are to look at the lockdown days back in 2020 when the days were totally drab and was full of boredom, the students studying at Aakash Institute did not even had the feeling of getting the urgency get ruined about those most alluring and intriguing subjects like mathematics and science. So Aakash Institute has not only helped us in our academics, but also helped us in preparing for the Olympiads like NSCJS and PRMO, which are even more thrilling. So I would really like to say that Aakash Institute has not only been of a great help to us, but also I think it's the best platform for everyone to gain a considerable amount of knowledge. Thank you.